Now, FIFA is to scrap a plan that would allow private investors buy stakes in flagship football events such as the World Cup. The proposal met with fierce opposition from governing bodies across Europe, Asia and South America. UEFA said today that it has lost confidence in FIFA President Gianni Infantino.
A plan that emerged on Tuesday afternoon was abandoned late last night. According to Gianni Infantino, FIFA Forward Enterprise was intended to provide a basis for further strengthening of member associations. His statement conceded the divisions had been created and the project would not proceed. It had already been rejected by 3 confederations. UEFA insisted its nations would boycott FIFA tournaments. Yesterday, Infantino's senior advisor, Carlos Cordero, resigned. FIFA Chief Operating Officer, Kevin Lamore, described it as a project of one person.
I think that Gianni took a step too far it couldn't be accepted by neither the management of UEFA nor the UEFA national associations.
While welcoming the announcement, UEFA believe Infantino has lost the trust of the football world. They are calling for a review and accountability.
UEFA have sensed the door is ajar here to maybe get him out, and I think football needs it. For the greater good, he's got to go. He's tried to line his own pockets, and when he said at the start of this, we can give association members 30 million each. Well, he's got 5 billion in reserve. He can do that anyway. He doesn't need private investors. We don't need private investors.
The fallout from a turbulent 5 days is likely to be significant. With a presidential election looming in March, Infantino has plenty to ponder. Dave Kelly, RTE News.